Hello everyone. I'm happy I'm back finally, and I'm sorry I didn't have time for making a new video for a long time as I was working on my own website. And I'm happy to announce that you can now book one-to-one classes with me at www.learneasternarmenian.com. You can see the link below. So I'm glad I'm finally back, and I would like to remind you that this is the last lesson in the reading section where we were trying to figure out how to read and pronounce the words and letters in Armenian. So I'd like to tell you that after this reading course, we're going to start a new course, which will be the main course for learning Armenian based on grammar and vocabulary. And my course is not based on any of the materials that are available on the internet or in the textbooks. I am the author of my own textbook, and I use the materials. I use my own materials during the lessons, which are different and which have proved to be pretty efficient. So today we're going to read a small text together as we did before. Okay, let's move forward. Time to practice.
Բարև, ես Աննան եմ։ Իմ ազգանունը Հարությունյան է։ Ես հայ եմ։ Ես ապրում եմ Հայաստանում։ Այս պահին ես տանն եմ և լսում եմ երաժշտություն։ Իսկ քո անունը ի՞նչ է։ Պատմիր ինձ քո մասին։